Hey guys! Come on in! I mean, I've been writing down random lists like on my phone, like in my notebooks, but the problem is now they're all like in random notebooks, so it's like I'm trying to collect all these like random thoughts I have. But this is like a light little like kimono thing that I like to wear over like if I'm wearing a tank top or something, because I still want to be a little bit professional while I'm there, but you know, this is lightweight so it won't be too hot. Actually, it was a pretty amazing day. I got these both the same day at Goodwill. $2 each. I'm pretty proud of that day. But yeah, I just love a light jean jacket because I could just throw it over anything. Just like a little wrap dress. I'd probably wear this with my jean jacket, and then this would be nice to go out to dinner with. This is my new favorite coat. Figured I'd bring it just in case it gets chilly at night, but I love it because it's just really cozy. Cream or black is the theme. Exercise clothes, but knowing me, I probably won't exercise, but just in case. I don't know, you start to miss like American food after a few days of like really bomb Chinese food. You start to be like, okay, now I want Five Guys. Little travel size bin of goodies that I keep because otherwise they're just all over my cupboard. This is one of my favorites, the Wave Spray. I normally just put it in my hair like right when I get out of the shower and it's like wet, and I just kind of like scrunch it up to like make it look like I did something with my hair. I'm actually almost out of this guy, but luckily I have FedEx should be coming today with more of my super goop. Oh, and then my favorite makeup remover, this is the micellar water. Here, you know, luckily I don't have a large suitcase because I would bring more stuff. So now I'm packing my in-flight stuff. So this trip I'm bringing my laptop, so that's why I decided to bring my Glenroe. And then bring a book to read. I'm also gonna download some podcasts and stuff, but it's always nice to have a paperback book just in case, you know, your phone's not working or whatnot. And then I'm bringing 2 pairs of headphones. I'm bringing my AirPods, which are a lifesaver, but just in case I want to listen to stuff on the plane, like the movies or something, I'm also bringing these guys. Always bring Tums because, to be honest, you never know what you're gonna eat sometimes on the plane, you know, the motion sickness or whatnot. I want to make sure that I'm feeling okay. I just bring a little tote bag just in case I decide I want to put this away in a locker while, you know, we have a layover or something, and then I could bring this just to, you know, put my wallet and whatnot in. Alright guys, gotta get some work done. I'm gonna call Shelby and see what she's bringing because I want to make sure I got everything. See ya!
Hello! Welcome to my crib. What I usually like to do is I like to build out my wardrobe. I will take everything that I own in my closet, and since most of it's from Zara, I can like cut it out and be super savvy with it and then put my outfits together like Cher and Clueless. But then I just decide what I'm gonna wear on what day, and then I coordinate that with this schedule here so that I can make sure I'm wearing like the right thing for the weather. I love Gilmore Girls so much. It's like the perfect thing to watch in the background because it doesn't matter if Rory's gonna do Rory things and they're gonna yell at each other and talk really fast. So anytime I do laundry, I just like immediately fold the clothes and put them in here so that I can't touch them right before a trip. So it's like I know that these are the 2 pairs of jeans that I want to bring, and then this is the leather skirt. So like I can't wear them and get them dirty before I go. It's like the most fuzzy, soft thing I actually own right now, and I've only worn it once in the past month because I didn't want to wash it before China and lose its softness. So this is my airplane outfit on the way there. Some sweatpants, sweatshirt. I'm gonna keep my travel wallet right here just so I can keep everything like all in the same place. Passport, boarding pass, ID. I feel like I need like extra stuff just in case it gets dirty or I smell like garlic or something the next day. I look like I'm the nurse of a spaceship hospital. It's one of those things that like I roll my jeans and my pants because I don't want them to get wrinkly, but I have to do my sweaters folded because if I roll them, those get wrinkly. So it's just like whatever works for you. You should always have a pair of fuzzy socks on the plane because it just makes going to sleep so much easier. Oh my gosh. Don't even have to fold these. It's just underwear, guys. And then you just zip it on up. Boom. So usually I put the large in first, and then I put the medium right below it so that I can squish a lot of like last minute stuff in here. Just like that. Ghost Wrap, it heat protects. I also like to bring my Summer Fridays exfoliator, that's great. And then matte pomade for the days I have greasy hair and I just want to make it extra greasy. And then I also have like a Quip toothbrush that I can bring with me. And then this fits perfectly right here. So one of the things that I really like to do is to have like an extra pair of clothes in case my luggage gets lost. And I just put that at like the very bottom of the bag. I also like to get a couple of these Baggu like foldable totes and then just like make them as small as you can. And then just like shove them anywhere you can. Maybe like right there. Okay, so because we're going for about 2 weeks, I need to make sure I have my laptop because I usually need to do a lot of production stuff, a lot of design stuff while I'm there. I can't just bring a tablet, so I have to have my entire laptop. I'll just secure that bad boy up. I almost forgot this. Okay, so this is a back scratcher my mom got me. It extends like this, so you can scratch your back wherever you are. And then you have to have an eye mask, one that blocks out the light, because I swear to God, if anybody turns on their reading light at 2 a.m., send my parents an itinerary so they know where I am. Forward that to Brandon. Hello. Hey, what's up? Okay, well, I have to get back to laundry, so I will see you later. Bye. See you in 2 weeks.